Hi, I'm Rob with DRS. In this video, you'll learn how to optimize your thermal video using the WatchMaster IP Ultra user interface. View is the default page. Here, you can select your preference for video format, H.264, MJPEG, or HTTP JPEG, by clicking the corresponding radio button. On the left, you'll find the pan, tilt, and zoom controls under the heading PTZ control. These controls enable a continuous 360-degree pan range and a tilt range of plus or minus 120 degrees. The slider at the bottom controls the pan and tilt speed. The slider on the right provides an electronic zoom from 1x to 4x. Let's set the zoom to 2x and leave the speed at the default of 75%. Change the zoom back to 1x. Scroll down. We'll pan the camera from the west side of the parking lot to the east. And back to west. Automatic gain control, or AGC controls, are next. Under the AGC drop-down menu, the first item is freeze. We'll come back to this in a few moments. Auto enables the standard AGC algorithm that adjusts the image in real time. Next, let's look at Image Contrast Enhancement, or ICE. Indoor ICE and Outdoor ICE are your two options. Choose whichever option is best for your application. Let's select Outdoor ICE. To make incremental adjustments, move the ICE slider. Notice the dynamic contrast and edge sharpening that takes place. You can also adjust the image through the contrast and brightness controls. If you determine that a contrast setting is appropriate for a specific application, select Freeze from the AGC drop-down menu. This holds the current gain and level of a particular scene, and is useful when you want to establish a consistent background that will not be affected by foreground objects entering or exiting the scene. Next, under Polarity, click to select White Hot or Black Hot. White Hot is the most common mode for viewing thermal imagery. This means that higher temperature objects appear white in the display. If you select Black Hot, higher temperature objects will appear black. Scroll back up. Now that the image is optimized, select PTZ from the main listings at the top of the page to review preset locations and tours. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you can store up to 32 locations. Let's say we'd like the system to remember this current view as the west side parking lot. We'll select an available preset from the drop-down menu. We'll enter the text Parking Lot West in the open field next to New Name, and click the Update Preset button. Click OK, and there it is. Parking Lot West is now a saved preset location that you can jump to at any time from the View menu or PTZ menu. You can also update and store up to 16 preset tours from this same screen. Tours are a set of timed motion commands that the camera will follow based on your customized parameters. First, from the drop-down under Tours, select an open tour. In this instance, Tour 0. If you'd like a continuous loop of a tour, check the Loop Mode box. Enter your custom tour name in the open field next to New Name. I'm calling this tour Parking Lot Tour. Next, click the Add Step button. From the Step Name drop-down, select a preset location. I'm choosing Parking Lot West. The details of that step appear in the Tours Steps section of the screen. Here we can adjust speed and stare time. Speed can be adjusted by entering a number between 1, which is very slow, and 100, which is very fast. I'll leave the speed at the default of 75. You can also use the step speed slider. Stare time determines how long the camera stays in the preset view before moving to the next location. Click the Stare Time drop-down. Select the stare time from 1 second to 5 minutes. I'm going to select 2 seconds. Let's add another step to complete our tour, this time parking lot east. I'll use the same speed and stair time here. I've added just 2 steps to the parking lot tour, but you can insert up to 32 steps in a tour. Steps can also be easily reordered with the Move Step Up and Move Step Down buttons. If needed, you can also remove a step by highlighting the step and clicking the Remove Step button. Click the Update Tour button. Click OK. Now click Run and scroll up to see the tour in action. These controls give you a wide range of options for enhancing your thermal video image and customizing the camera to your specific application. Thanks for watching.